This is part one of two videos covering the topic how to construct an isosceles triangle given the perimeter and the altitude. Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hugh. In today's video, we'll be looking at the construction of an isosceles triangle given the perimeter and the altitude. In the previous video, we looked at how we use AutoCAD software to prove two circle theorems. So perhaps you could visit that video after you have completed this one. The circle theorem is very important in engineering, especially when it comes on to the design and the engineering in terms of the calculation of angles. At CAD with Mr. Hugh, we aim to become your favorite CAD resource online. We thank you for joining us and we will be starting the video now. In today's video, we'll be looking at the construction of an isosceles triangle given the perimeter and the altitude. So the first thing we're gonna draw a line which is equal to half the perimeter. So we're gonna draw a line. We're gonna turn on snap and ortho. We're gonna draw a line which is 120 millimeters long. All right, so we're gonna click there, and the length of this line is 120. Enter. Now we're gonna label the line for you. So we're going to single line text. Gonna turn off snap. The starting point would be here. The height would be 4. Rotation angle 0. This will be A, and this will be B. All right, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna construct a perpendicular at the end of the line. All right, so to construct a perpendicular at the end of the line, you go arc. You're gonna draw an arc at B. So we go center, radius 15 millimeters, and we're gonna draw an arc like that. All right. This point I'm gonna label it 1. So single line text, height is 4, rotational angle 0, this is 1. All right, from 1, I'm going to mark another arc to intersect the previous arc drawn. So I'm going to go center at 1, radius 15 millimeters, enter. There, where the two arcs intersect, that is 2. So I'm going to label this 2. Height is 4, rotation angle 0. This will be 2. From 2, I'm going to mark another arc. So center start end, center at the intersection at 2. I'm going to mark another arc 15 millimeters. Where the arc intersect, that will be 3. So I'm going to label it for you. So single line text right here. The height is 4, rotational angle 0. So this is 3. From 3, and I'm going to move the 2 closer to the right. From 2 and 3, I'm going to mark 2 arcs. All right. So center start in. Center, we're going to turn on object snap. Center at 2. Radius 15. Gonna do the same procedure at center 3. So center at 3, radius 15, enter, and mark an arc. Where the two arcs intersect, that is a perpendicular. So I draw a line from B to the intersection, enter, and that would be the perpendicular to the drawn at the end of the line. Or what we can do, we normally extend the line beyond the intersection in technical drawing. All right, so that is a perpendicular to the end of a given line AB. All right, so I'm going to center the drawing. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to construct a parallel line to the line AB to get the altitude, to show the altitude. So the altitude is 80 millimeters. So we're going to go arc, center start end, center at A, radius equal to 80, enter, mark an arc. All right. Going to mark another arc from B. So center at B, radius 80 millimeters, enter. Going to draw a semicircle there. And we're going to draw another arc, center start end. All right. The radius is 80, enter. The next step is to draw a line to touch the arcs tangentially and enter. In technical drawing, we extend this line beyond the arcs. All right. So we're gonna center the drawing. All right. All right. Good. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna extend this line to intersect the parallel line, right? So we can actually label the parallel line. So we're gonna go single line text. Gonna select here height before rotation angle. This would be C. This would be D. Okay. All right. So we're gonna use the extend command. EX is a shortcut. And we'll click on it. Right. This point now would be E. So we'll go single line text. Height is 4, rotation angle 0. This point is E. The next step is to draw a line from A to E. Enter. Then the next step is to bisect the line AE. So we're going to go arc, center start end, center at A, radius equal to 105 millimeters, enter. You need to turn off ortho. All right. Same radius from E, we're going to mark an arc. So center at. We have come to the end of part 1 of the 2 videos covering the topic how to construct an isosceles triangle given the perimeter and the altitude. We look forward to seeing you in part 2 of this set of videos where we will be completing the construction of the isosceles triangle. Please take care. Until then, bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.